You might be fooled into thinking this is just your ordinary rigid box. No. This is an experience. Hi everybody, I'm Sabine Lindsay, founder of PaperSpecs, with your weekly dose of paper inspiration. When it comes to packaging, we know it is all about the unboxing experience. And when it comes to building unboxing drama, it is hard to beat the classic rigid box with a telescopic lid. From perfume to jewelry, the time it takes to slide off that lid really builds anticipation. But once the lid is off, the show is over, right? Not so fast, says corporate image, who, through the use of a secret proprietary process, injects a final surprising flourish into this box when you lift the lid. At first glance, the packaging seems simple enough, featuring a shiny but tasteful hot foil pattern on the top. But the moment you pick up the box, you get a tactile thrill from the Merlot-colored LBS Verona, 100% rayon cloth with paper backing that covers it. A great touch to add hot foil to this rough surface because the foil really picks up the linen finish in the fabric. But it is when you lift up that lid that the real fun begins. The moment you do, two hinged sides of the box fall down to reveal a simple glass candle holder firmly slotted into a black die-cut paperboard base. When you examine the panels themselves, you can see these subtle but distinct patterns on them, this time UV printed onto the raw black paperboard. As corporate image so poetically puts it, the effect was inspired by candlelit evenings and leaves cascading in the fall. For those of you who simply have to know how this effect was achieved, a closer look at the drop-down panels confirms what the company's proprietary technology actually does. It finishes the edges of those panels in such a super precise way that they fit together perfectly, only held in place by the lid until it's lifted. Now that's creative. It's also just one of many ways in which you can transform the packaging you design into an interactive experience. Extra thanks to Corporate Image for running a special print run just for our VIP members. Thanks so much. Now, if you're inclined to create some fabulous interactive packaging, don't worry, we got your back. Download the packaging cheat sheet we created just for you. Find it at packagingcheatsheet.com. Did you enjoy this video? Then please subscribe to our channel. Of course, it would be amazing if you shared with all your friends. And keep sending me your fabulous printed pieces. I love to feature them.